with the fence mounts, it's actually a 3-in-1 fence mount. So essentially what it is it works with the 3 most common fences that we see in Canada. So it'll be a fence like this, where you just drill in the fence mount into the actual fence using the supplied hex adapter, but also the screws. And then when you have just wooden fences that you'll see in residential certain areas, really making sure that it's able to be used in those situations where you just spin it, you tighten it, and then you tighten the top nuts, and then it sits there. And then also the chain link version with the adapters in the kit. And this is a lot of stuff for, once again, residential areas, but also we wanted to focus on critical infrastructure, but also with the infrastructure that surrounds the oil and gas and those sorts of installations in the wildland urban interface area within Western Canada. And that was kind of the purpose behind designing it, is so that it would be applicable in those situations. Not only but to have the immediate area of the house, that vicinity covered, but to have the proximity control surrounding property, surrounding critical infrastructure, and surrounding oil and gas installations throughout the wildland urban interface. So having that in mind, that's what went into designing the 3-in-1 fence mount, having the ability to maneuver and adapt as needed the fence mount to be able to apply to those sorts of situations and those sorts of fences.